Origereri chinsa ninya cheri tukeriga ria Jumatatu chitariki kienda chio mutienyo o kabiri mwaka bwechirwe na 2025 nemo eke ne kionga Jumatatu chinsenye cheri gongoro kwaro ni ototo nyaingiri kuranza mimerelio ni gotogo bwataranera Wilson Makori na mwancho murigereria kionga chinsenye togochaka nengana yo ichania kurwase gose tokumenya gumne ya mata ya mukorwa ekenyorokia bituka b ime ye ward ya Nyatieko county ya Kisii nigere birero magega yogokwerwa kwa gosogwa kwa na makweli ambaskano ase omongera Clemensia kirbo bwe myaka 53 anyara kabaga gosirio mabwaye chinga kiarenge mogondo murikito dipone asanya ne kira nasengeyo na gotwarira ni robot okobwati
Emaragoba ya rero nigo bikure bitindi bya rangeria abanyakenyoro babituka bi yogotoka ime ya Kanyimbe ward ya Nyatieko ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South asogo kwa mongina Clemensia Kerubo uyumirana na makweli chinga kiarenge kurabya amasaku asomogondoye
Alieka John Makori iga uyuma akomoka ande ncho moturete bwikenyoreke tukabi nalinga mwana alinkirete iga nanyora omwana ogocho mocho koro wanzenga ya babe gasia bwate nkali munango chuata masaku lakini nche nagende skuru nkoirana nanyora agwete nsengo jigomyo karanyora chimana chingi chitegete gasoamo
gusangane amate yaye ni go babo kabuya na kuyarigania kiroyomo gochia seke bago bunaire njira ya butambe
okamambi narosaria bane chae banyu baende skuru nairana na dress rende ngocha nasoka kujidaraja nanyora na liago swago cha nyombo mbori mumuro enga yali na mutei araire narangire mumuro yogo kabakwana nere nje nasoka nabatiga nyomba naenda daraja ona ikire daraja naringwa kirwisi mingomongino sire nababulio sirangaki ngomongino sirire nasoka igolende naicha inachigocha nanya no maene no araire ga mugondo
ense munayo nyagusirani gabeire ga kurwaria oburwaire bwa blood pressure egento bono gekageire koira obugima bwaye
na bwata oburwaire muna pressure kurwarare na ruware the pressure bono kurumuiso onde tumbu yale lakini bono kai umbu yaro chaka korabia na kukura birende ke umbu yarake yaikeli una ya acid ya nyale kana waka incidente ikiagara bano ntwale ngoto nyale kara
abanyakenyero nigo bono baichanirete egekore keiga asa makweli amubasukano ensemeyo sobono baruro kubolia guchesa barayi borogongorwe kuika ya mateyu ange
ogosira kwaya gwatuichaniri ekwarige gwa kabura oye nero mongina konyango tara nero kongo kosemio konene na inche nastokire naondokire kulende nyasaye namanyetere bunagenda
mongina no muturifu ngochi arenge kanisa yae bona karachaka kurwara akeke bona anyakorege ana bagocha baramusabira ndinka abariba bagwetia masaba
kurega ase chinsemo chia Kanyimbo ward ya Nyatieko ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South ime county ya Kisii elia na enkuru kwa Dipon asanya
tumurigereria abajumbe be county ya Nyamira bakorabamo no mujumbe we county yo Moskeje Rushamumanyi mujumbe we bunge ya North Mugirango Moskeje Ashinyamoko mujumbe we bunge ya West Mugirango Moskeje Mogaka mujumbe we bunge ya Kitutu Masaba Moskeje Gesairo na boigo Patrick Osaro we bunge ya Bravo nigolit kulia lero banyaka bagutalira miroberi ao eyo enyanya tuko chakwa asoko bwaterana nense ya Kuwait nigonyaka bagochanira ebikore ase amagacha na manasi skuru ataranya kabaga wikiranigwa ebirengo biri bya roberetwe ne serikali nabo igabanya kabako mochia abanyakonda abo bagenderete nemirime yo atubanya kaba bagokwanira annamono igoro yemiroberi yokonyora abanyakonda abo egento tachindikirire emiroberi yugosobwa gachobwo kogenda ngora muri gito fatiga digesemba na mange
ase etare yeiga y'ababunge ba Nyamira bakubwatirana ne wizara y'ekisemi erio kurigereria asamagacho ayo asiririe ne serikali ya Kuwait nigo yachakira ase bunge ya West Mugirango ase eskuru ya sekondari ya Enchoro igotokemeye wodi ya Busamaro St Peters Nyakimincha eria y'abanyaruka ya Rangenyo nabo igobonyunyu abo asomobunge bwebunge eyeiga ya West Mugirango omoske Steven Mogaka arekana gotagokiwa na banyakonda abo bachire ngora ase obwagachi obwo
nche kor West Mugirango chi project chiana chikwamete egesieri project yere Bomondo project yere Nyagachi na Mongolis abantu batenrete Ministry of Education ekero chitende chiare koena mangana inotari yonse there is no way mwara gotochorera contractor chitaiyo chitariport ti site, and that is why ngwakirawa chumbe ba minto ba Nyamira ngambu ya mono on this one gotara amo to make sure ngachibes kia Nyamira chia soire alias chirakeire goso
etaro eyeiga nigo yagenderera ase bunge ya North Mugirango abwase egatie skuru echo cyatarirwa neria ya Esanige St Francis Gekendo eria yoboroso ya Kisaria naboigo magunga abwase omubunge Joash Nyamuko ate babuna maiga yetare yeiga ebarache korika oroboti igoro ya magacho ayo naboigo abanyakonda bande nigo barache gotenenigwa
kumanya the project ya anste mapema sana ekaba launch the president about 2-3 years ago so lero wetera sabara ya Nyamira bonspi tuaru mukutana ne minister to make a decision to each as a ground elinde total de skuru chirichwende go benefit shionspi as a county ya Nyamira elinde to manyana problems kichiroro to like report tolemba wende gotene ni umbara wende okolega aseyo
ensemo yabo omubunge okitutu masaba omoske Clive Kisairo omoske Cherusha Mumanyi abayigo Patrick Osero oburabu nigo bakwanire ayaiga igoro yamagenderero ayo akuweiti
surprising mumanyerero nga part 1 mbara ikanyo 20% 30%, lakini furniture yabere delivered 100%. Yani birogo computers bialetiro bitabuga ese nyanyene kirasi kitaragacho. That tells you about the contracting nature and the problems tobugate ekare kiramanga tendering in this country. Ntoko ba nebinto bikoba launched byatikerunchira otora abuna abajumbe asobwamo kororanga chi project cha Nyamira nchibaza koikana another election cycle nchira era egendere ko bimigano yabere myaka ya maega tutagete ibintu by January next year all these contractors barure site abana baito banyodera
kuna contractor umefanya menyenya 90% maanga 90% unagesebei is at zero. Contractor alikuja na akahama. So kama ministry ingefanya hima wapeane wale ambao wameonyesha ya kwamba wako na uwezo waendelee na hizo projects under the same terms.
Ntuna bajumbe tora tokorera abantu ase siasa era nabo turahetanira lakini ase mirimo y'abantu ntogwetana tore tayari ko deliver for the people.
Kingo reporter Getembe kuraiga se county ya Nyamira Njefa Tigad Gisemba
mwancho murigereri abajumba abo nigo banyaka bagutarira chinsemo chia kia bonyoru bunge ya North Mugirango atabanyagendera kurotota obwagachi bwa University ya Nyamira sebagokera emirobiri yugose okugendera kubwagachi obwo na korengana barabo nigo emirobiri yogendete korengana buna ebwaneiri gose buna ebwanerete
twakorera igase university eye tokorera botuko na mubaso tutagetebe echake gokora igase na ende twamanyire kubanyora ndoche na mubwata maiga sana irinde university yeba igo togo sabanganya sato konyo mwako yoronya kunyarekana university yere toreta abana bachaka gosomera tari baigo
yale maono tulikuwa nayo kitambo kama miaka miwili iliyopita wakati tulikuwa tunasema tutataka kuanzisha university imefika. Naona matingatinga iko hapa, contractor yako kwa site. Tunafurahi sana kuona hata tunaambiwa miezi 9 ikiisha jengo litakuwa hapa na tutakuwa na university. Hiyo ni manufaa makubwa sana, ni maendeleo makubwa sana kwa sehemu yetu na sehemu ya elimu kwa jumla. Kwa hivyo wananchi najua mtanufaika sana na kwa kazi na mambo mengi ambayo yataendelea na university. Kwa hivyo tu support university, na hiyo ni maendeleo kwetu.
To make a decision for ichase university kwa gachuga igakiabonyo. Kero mumaete na eye is one of the biggest projects. Ego chakarozigune serikali ya ito ekoirange 3.9 billion Kenya shillings. So chiba sia bekirwa se NCMA go chagas bakorois. Ochirange 200 million. Na then to one school ya secondary ga igatonyi agacho jimatali. Mwaro che contractor nekolde ero. So that tonyi sukie no any project ile kwa gacho na Kuwait iliko nyore president ya ite kabeke liga na lio borosororo hata hiyo tutaipeleka huko chini.
Kwa hivyo tumekuja pia kusema kwamba hivi karibuni tunajaribu kukarabati tupate contractor mwingine yule anaweza fanya hii kazi na amalize haraka sana. Ikibidi miezi 6 akuwe amemaliza kazi hiyo yote.
Aba director Beach Factory ase county ya Kisii lituko lya lero niko bachaka na kuigura ensema bene ase ogosimeka imeribye chae gose nasari ase nsema ya Mutonto ime bunge ya babasi county ya Kisii morobiro yo nigo oirene kirenga yoko ene kyabuna liga salia kemalie kiongonya kobalire ligo kina naboigo abalimi banyaka bakonyarera engeria eisaine gose bwenderete molikito Daniel Ntiri egerana asinseme china kutwala ndio robotiro kubwatia
Ogopema chikilo chinke ase kemeli gechae na konyora bonus rense wangwiga obobo mbochi kwebeka ase balimi bekemeli gechae watakana negetambokero kyogocha kigwa koigurwa wense meiga bene era chugutumeka asokolera na gukinikero nikeya gekemeli gechae sensemo ya Mutonto imiye county ya Kisii.
The nursery of Mutonto widely open and very hopeful for the farmers of Mutonto area.
Ukwana chinga kecho niko batabona ekeroni kegekeya asabalimi yakolero botuki boisaine nakeke bwenerete asabalimi babono boigo kubwatekana no guchincha kwelire asichinse mochi nyinge asorukongo rwagusi nekiga ngechiko bakonya asogwekinia
nabere ngosingirire goryo mupango yo kurukare lakini rende bande mba manyete na bare go support quietly ontachie kiara andegena mutu riegere bono nende ekasucceed bono twachirega igo bona bali mibaito igo nko basaba murende nasari eso kicha engia na ende musume kicha imonia muira ende isiko ninde sure ende ni manyete chairman into nyamache itumbe ase region ase zone ya Kisii nindu tweka tubwate chinasari
wananire ne board na management yonsi atoiwananire tuanyolire na ase gutwale volume enyinga ase factory cheito moso factory ya itumbe wikatorengererie emebango ya 5 year 10 year program ikiagera tutaligeretie kabireyo echa na bera chiko chaka gutoka na yaboli nabona igatoko kwana ntubwati chai
asense mwende abalimi nigo bagokera egetambo kireke bateba asa matukali bosio bono mbachiko pima achikilo chinyinge chekemelieke oigo aso gwekinia baraboka banyene wetira ase bonus barwesegeto wecha saba director banda sorogongo rwagusi kubwatira koboko umurubuliga eligokonya na gutulia abalimi bekemeli gecha na kubosibura kurwasi chinyororo chobotaka
this thing ego chikogenderera ekero tuabikire chae ekore period of 1 year ekero yakori 1 year we recycle tutuare within 2 years tuanyolire almost 600,000 kgs ekeri chae ya very ready. You can be able to see within a period of 3 years we will be having almost 1 million kgs as a factory ya Itumbe.
Mo basa ko ganya to gende ni ronga egento gete chaeche na nitujenje komenya kwa abantu baito tuabere hydro mono echae ne bwati chibesa takunga ino para yenda mugondo no chibesa kalete chibesa chire
nkurubatere gatasene kya gatembe korega se county ya Kisii litere ngoro kwa Daniel Ntiri.
Mwachomo rigereri abagavana gwetera kiombe kiabo kematabna Council of Governors OCOG nigo bagoserire gochiego taikirana ase chikamati chia Senate kubatakana amo noko tebabuna nigo bakorakwa amachaya n'abasanata gose n'abasenata nabo igo nigo babere bagusabwa chibesa negati y'abasenata abo bagukwana ase gose bagukwana magega yo gutwara ekaro ime yo mocho Nairobi ama umunyakero gwekombekyo Ahmed Abdullahi nabo igo mokonyo ya muthomi Nchuki nigo baboliri amonchereri gokorerwa anene mono ase chikamati gose amonchereria gokorwa gose kwanekiwa ase chikamati echo.
Fine. Rules of engagement with the Senate. We feel that the Senate has stretched the boundaries of their mandate under Article 96(3) of the Constitution. And they have rubbished Article 226 of the Constitution that clearly states that public entities at the national government are oversighted by the National Assembly, and that public entities at the county government are oversighted by the county assembly.
We are very specific that Council of Governors has no issue with the Senate. We even have no issue with all the Senate committees. We have a problem not just with the CPAC committee. We have a problem with 4 senators. They know themselves in the committee of CPAC of the Senate. Those 4 senators know themselves. And we are saying they are involved in extortionists, being extortionists. They harass governors, they intimidate them. They even use political maneuvers of keeping governors there the whole day, waiting to be seen without even communicating to them, hoping that the governors will be able to give in to their whims. And we are saying Senate is a house of noble men and women. There are other senators who can serve in that committee and will not appear in that CPAC committee if and until when those senators and the leadership is changed, because they are the ones who are spoiling and they are making the Senate appear as if it is a place the serious business is not done, but instead we have political maneuvers that are underlined with personal interest. Yet it is not the whole Senate. It is just only 4 senators, and they know themselves. But there's no need of naming them. They know themselves. 4 of them in CPAC, they know themselves.
Mwanjumuri karabu toka na mutimo komo kego toka ranjana kwa toka ndra na magana maya yekeonga Jumatatu jinsa inye.
Karibu Borabu Technical Training Institute, kituo cha maarifa, ubunifu na ujuzi wa vitendo kwa maendeleo ya kesho. Katika Computing and Informatics Department, tunatoa kozi za kisasa zitakazokuweka mbele kiteknolojia, ICT, Computer Programming, Cyber Security, pamoja na Digital Animation and Media. Katika Building and Civil Engineering Department, tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu wa kujitegemea kupitia kozi za Plumbing na Building kwa ujuzi wa vitendo unaohitajika sokoni. Kwa wale wanaopenda umeme na teknolojia ya mawasiliano, Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department inatoa Electrical Engineering, Power Option, Electronic na Telecommunication. Ndani ya Institutional Management Department tunakuza vipaji na ubunifu kupitia fashion design and clothing technology, hair dressing na beauty therapy. Katika Health Sciences Department tunajali afya ya jamii kwa kutoa kozi za Health Records, IT na Community Health. Na katika Business Studies tunakuandaa kwa ulimwengu wa biashara kupitia Human Resource, Business Management na Supply Chain. January Intake 2026 inaendelea sasa. Jiandikishe leo na chukua hatua ya kwanza kuelekea mustakabali wako wenye mafanikio. Borabu Technical Training Institute ipo kando ya barabara ya Kisii hadi Ikonge, karibu na mji wa Kibirigo. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0746 211 764 au 0727 433 205 au 0725533426. Tembelea tovuti yetu www.borabu.tti.ac.ke. Borabu Technical Training Institute, Technical Skills for Development.
Wikatokwana ya tuarorire Chei mambo Agiatanga ya buyama Migongo tunyubukira Amangana weya mayana Rongo ganinatera Yalinda banto bamanye Amangana mayango yoretie Neneba banto bande Mariko ganituakwana Omontaga korama ya na endogo kumimwati njerinze Ebuna bono sitara chumogaba no itero temire Korwasa eto bisiya Echene kiama gano temire Ebuna bono chibara cheito Omogaba no itoni gagasaine Mosomi abana chizukuru Omogaba na narwe paseri Anyagetari o temire Era mariogo tarikolema Panyagetari o mentire Sabesi ya beyerengia Emwamanya komorama ya Omogaba no gasaine meremo ya Aye baba Ingoyo korutomo gambia magena Ogaba na simpere negasiare Marimo korutomo gambia magena Ogaba na simpere negasiare Siasa tela ikatigeri yogi Ogaba na simpere negasiare Kisegi mobwate manyango erachie Ogaba na simpere negasiare Kalikorara no are saiti Ogaba na simpere negasiare Chira riete na chiago ikerania Ogaba na simpere negasiare Igago tichorero mogambia makara Ogaba na simpere negasiare Mosimama bwate na bora bagose Ogaba na simpere negasiare Ogaba na simpere tana korara Ogaba na simpere negasiare Omo chegiamo ganinya iranerie Ogaba na simpere negasiare Ogaba na yeito sugumemeremo Ogaba na simpere negasiare Ogaba na simpere negasiare Ogaba na yeito sugumemeremo Ogaba na simpere negasiare
Nchumuligereri karibu sensema ya kabiri ya mangana maya ya kionga chinsainye. Kubwatakana amo numurakera umutindo yogente kane kwa chinsema au imensi ya Kenya unyalika wakoleta wakwa okonene anene mono uchese abana inchi na boigo etugo na boigo ebimeri ase emigondo nigo mokonyi bo muraibu ense omoske province Abraham Kithure Kindiki tukulia lero atwale gikaro ikiabene asomo cho Nairobi asanya kwaga kwanera emirobiri ya serikali ebwate elikone kiabuna omochando yongo nyarore kabago segerwa elio abanto banyaraka bakwenyora ase ako.
The purpose of this meeting was to review the ongoing interventions by the government of Kenya on the situation of the drought, the mitigation interventions that we are making on drought. As you are aware, the performance of the last rains, October to December season, was suboptimal. They did not perform very well. So many counties, up to 23 counties, are in need of support in terms of human food, and livestock feed, and other drought mitigation interventions. Overall, 3.3 million people across our country are affected, and we also need food to reach our schools, to make sure that our learners are not disrupted by the ongoing drought situation. Therefore, we have reviewed the ongoing interventions. We have resolved to upscale the interventions. We have also resolved to diversify the food available so that we can take care of sensitive, special sections of society, including children, women, and the invalids. We have also asked and directed that all county steering committees be activated, and that we need to work on the last mile delivery of food. We are taking a little long for the food to reach the population in their areas, and therefore we've directed that those teams be activated, and we are
okorero mancho murigali nigo murai wensa muske William Samoei Ruto arenge kirori gusanyara kogakora muroberio bokobeka SAO koigwana gati yense ya Kenya na bugense ya Italy anamono asensemeli yegisemi chiri chia amagokoze chyobo bundi no moyega gusenege tambukero Kenya na kabage kwanekigwa no mu waziri wegisemi asense ya Kenya umosike Julius Migoso Gamba naboigo umuwaziri wegisemi chigoro kura asense ya Italy Anna Maria Panin.
This MOU, I look forward to us working with Italy, especially on our TVET space, to equip some of our TVET institutions. We already are in discussion with some of your entities to see how 60 or 70 of our technical and vocational institutes can be equipped with modern equipment that will help our learners acquire skills and gain competences. We want to access new technologies, new ways of doing things, and I hope that we can fast track and create more momentum to make sure that we complete the exercise that is already ongoing on equipping our technical institutions around Kenya. I also look forward to expanding the scope of relationship between our universities. I know currently there is a relationship between Nairobi University, Masinde Muliro University, with the universities in Italy. We want to expand the scope to other universities in Kenya and other universities in Italy, again, so that we can enhance mobility of students, mobility of lecturers, professionals, professors, and create a much more homogeneous global pool of professionals that will help all our countries to move to the next level.
Mwanjo muligereri goikira bunto kolera amangana maya yekionga Jumatatu nje nigongoro kwaro ni ototo onyaingiri kuranza menye manyelio no to abateranere Wilson Mako na ba kuranza mato ntucho niga korokwa Jackson go se Kevin Ongeri na ba maiga ya kamera niga korokwa Wilfred Matundra kukuganiria ogenda gutwara buri libuya imiyaga Tembe TV kionga kyama mugusi na bo igotwara botkoya.
Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa, kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha.